go! Pick a pup. Welcome back! No job is too big, no pup is too small. It's pizza time! Let's start! Choose the pizza sauce. Tap and hold the pizza dough to add sauce. Good! Now add some cheese. Nice! Pick an excellent! Your pizza is complete! Yum! Your pizza looks so tasty! Tap quickly to eat the pizza. That pizza was delicious. Jake saw a snow monster in the mountain. Let's investigate this mystery. What a nice haircut! Good job, pup! Nice! Something cool to win next! Rubble. This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it! Mayor Goodway is calling. Keep going, pup. Just a few more treats to get your prize. PAW Patrol, to the lookout. Thanks for hurrying, pups! Mr. Porter was delivering some groceries when he hit a bump on the bridge. He was transporting big bags of pup treats, and they fell into the river. We need to return them to Mr. Porter. Zuma, I'll need you to head down the river and collect those bags of treats before they get to the bay. All right! PAW Patrol is on a roll. Zuma in, treats ahoy! When you see pup treat bags up ahead, swipe your finger to steer left. All right, Zuma! We need to scoop up those bags of pup treats before they reach the bay. Try to avoid those obstacles. All right, Zuma. Mr. Porter can finish his deliveries. You're really good pups. Have some pup treats. Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. Pop it. Tap on the icicles or... Wow! Incredible! You... Good job, pup! Zuma! You got it, pup! Rubble, that boulder is huge! You'll need Rubble's drill to break it. It's a gift box! Awesome! Wow! Incredible! You won all the prizes for all the pups! You can keep collecting pup treats to win super treats! Everest! Right on, pup! Mayor Goodway is calling! Let's remove that big pile of snow to clear the way! Good work, pup! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast! Cool! A new prize to win! It's time to have fun in the snow! What a nice haircut! You did it, pup! Way to go, pup! Nice! Something cool to win next! You got it! Puptacular! Wow! Incredible! You won all the prizes for all the pups! You can keep collecting pup treats to win super treats! Cool! Maybe a nose? Good job, pup! Jake is calling! Let's rescue that baby bear! Nice work, pup! This looks cool! Can't wait to see you play with it! Rubble. Choose items to decorate your snowman. Awesome! Your snowman looks great! Good job, pup! Over there! Looks like Jake needs help. The snow monster! Oh, that's not a monster. That's a mooster. Moo! Good work, pup! Jake has relieved there's no monster on the mountain. It's pizza time! Let's start! Choose the pizza sauce. Good! Now add some cheese. Excellent! Your pizza is complete! Tap quickly to eat the pizza! Mmm, that pizza was delicious! You did it! Awesome! Wow, incredible! You won all the prizes for all the pups! You can keep collecting pup treats to win super treats! PAW Patrol, to the lookout! Marshall in Wild Whale Watch. When whales swim up to the boat, hold your fingers on the splotches. All right, Marshall, we need to help these whales. Wash the whales by scrubbing the smoothie spots. Good work, pup! You got it, pup! Amazing cleanup, Marshall! You saved the whales!